Here we are again. We glad to introduce you a Cannondale F-Si Carbon 4 2020 model year. A mountain race bike loaded with performance features that ensure victory, all while weighing next to nothing. This bike equipped with a BallisTec Carbon frame, and reliable fork Lefty Ocho. And SRAM NX Eagle high-quality derailleur makes it easy to overcome any terrain. There are brakes on the bike such as Shimano MT500 Hydro Disc. Cannondale F-Si Carbon 4 equipped with good tires Schwalbe Racing Ray Performance 27.5 29 by 2.25. I think this is a great choice for amateurs and professionals. Drive in pleasure. Do you like this video? Please follow the link in description or on the video to view the details. And subscribe to the channel.